Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, because you guys smashed that like button and showed how much you loved my first Windows 11 desktop setup, as promised, I bring you a follow-up. Another awesome clean setup for you guys to try out. And if this one hits a target of 120 likes, I'll make sure to bring you another one. Now before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next one. And don't forget to submit your live wallpaper and home screen requests right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just head to the live section and then click on the request button. And remember to boost your favorite ones using both the heart and the booster buttons here. Now with this setup, we're going for a clean desktop look, with the main focus being around this awesome live wallpaper. Done through the use of a super minimalist taskbar, which solely consists of the Windows Start button on the left hand side, and on the right are clock and a limited number of indicators. And additionally here, we're also replacing the classic cluttered desktop icons with these nifty little hexagonal shortcuts. And as a quick side note, for those of you running dual monitors, I'm also going to leave a link for this secondary complementary backdrop down in the video description below, as well as everything else you're going to need in order to recreate this setup. Now by default, your computer should look something like this, either with the default Windows 11 theme or even your manufacturer's custom one. Regardless, let's start things off by minimizing our classic taskbar, removing all of those icons, leaving only the Windows Start button itself. So first things first, let's remove the Windows feature icons, such as the search button and the rest of them. For this, just simply right click anywhere on the taskbar and then head into the settings option. Now here, we want to toggle off all 4 of these persistent taskbar features. Now as a quick note, if you notice that you have a ton of icons overspilling in this bottom right corner of your screen, feel free to toggle them off using the taskbar corner overflow option. After which, all that's left is to remove our program icons from the taskbar. So for each one, just simply right click and then hit the unpin option. And once done, you should have something that looks like this. Now let's wrap up the taskbar customization by turning it fully transparent. For this, we're going to head over to the Microsoft Store and install the application Translucent TB, which is available completely for free. And now to add to our super minimalist look, as a quick little trick to clean up your desktop screens, we're simply going to hide our desktop icons. For this, just right click anywhere on your desktop and within the view section, just simply untick show desktop icons. Now that we got the basic setup out the way, let's grab ourselves that awesome live wallpaper. For this, make sure to grab yourselves the software Wallpaper Engine, which is available from Steam. Now sadly, this is a paid application, however, don't let that put you off, as it is only a one-time purchase which allows you to customize both your computers as well as now your mobile phones. It's definitely great value for money, and personally I've been using it for my desktop customization for a good few years now. So once installed, you should see an interface much like this, with the install tab selected, showing you your current library of live wallpapers. And to get access to even more, just head over to the Discover tab to browse through thousands of user-created live wallpapers which are available totally for free. And once you find one that you like, just simply click on the subscribe button and it will be added to your installed library section. Now as for this setup, I'm going to leave a link for both of the live wallpapers used here in the video description below. And both of them come from the same awesome creator. So here's a massive shout out for him for such great work. Next up, let's set up these hexagonal desktop icons. These come courtesy of the classic application Rainmeter, which has been around for many years now. So once downloaded and installed, it will load up with these default home screen elements. Here, just simply right click on each one and select the option to unload, removing them from your desktops. Now with Rainmeter, there are a ton of different themes that you can download direct from their website. However, for our setup, we're going to head over to the DeviantArt community. So if you haven't already, make sure you sign up, as it's well worth having their community resources available. Now using my final link from below, we want to download this custom Rainmeter pack, SA Shapicon by Saber. Now just simply run the file and it will automatically install itself within Rainmeter's directory on your computer. Next, let's look at Rainmeter itself. Now it does have a few different tabs to play with. However, our primary focus is going to be the skins tab itself, where you'll find this list of all of your installed packs, including the SA pack which we downloaded. Now here, just simply take your time and browse through the different subfolders to find the relevant app icons for you, and loading them to your home screen by simply double clicking on them. Here, with this pack, by default whenever you add a new icon in, it would always generate in the top left of our screen. So to reposition them, just simply long click and drag them across your desktop. Now just rinse and repeat until you get something that looks like this. Now before you guys run off, on a final note, I found that some of these icons don't work right off the bat. Such as here with Chrome, whenever I click on it, it's not opening the Chrome browser. So to fix this, you're going to need to do the following. Right click the icon that's not working and then select the option Edit Skin. This is going to show you the code behind the icon itself. So here, we want to scroll down until we find the section with the application name, such as here with Chrome. Now within this section, we want to find the line of code that reads left mouse up action. Here, within the quotations, we want to add in the directory of our program. Simply put, to find this, using Windows search function, we want to look up our software. Then right click and select the option to open file location. And then repeat this once more until you're taken to a Windows directory that looks similar to this. So here, we want to select and copy all of the directory path available from File Manager and then paste it within the highlighted section from earlier, within the quotation marks. After which, just simply add a backslash, the program name, followed by .exe. Of course, don't forget to hit save before you leave. Now right click the Rainmeter tray icon and then hit refresh all, implementing the change to the icon. Now if you want to look up your Android apps and trick others to think they're broken, why not check this video out next? If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And make sure you check out my other Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.